Variations of I am in, at, on. Usage and examples. I am can be used with prepositions in, at, and on. When you enter a physical location like a building or a room, you would use the word in with I am. The preposition in specifies within the area, bounds, or limit. You should use in to denote inside. For example, I am in a car. I am in New York. I am in London. I am in the bathroom. I am in the garden. I am in a house. I am in a college. I am in a mall. You can use it to tell someone where are you currently. The word it specifies the near the area occupied by. For example, I am at the airport. I am at the mall. I am at the office. I am at the shop. I am at home. I am at the airport. You can use in for general location and it for the specific location. For example, I am in Delhi at the conference. I am in the building at the reception. I am in London at the Buckingham Palace. Use in for inside and it for near. For example, I am in the lift. I am inside the lift. I am at the lift. I am near the lift. The preposition on specifies the non-physical location. For example, time being utilized by something else. It denotes the person is working on something. I am on the job. I am on the phone call. I am on the laptop. I am on a task, a project. I am on the bike. I am on the ship. I am on the roof. I am on the bus. Bye-bye.